Hello and welcome to today's Rumba lesson. We will start with Rumba basic, turn to left, then closed hip twist and open hip twist. When we dance a Rumba basic, we need to turn to left. Degree is quarter turn to left in 2 bars or 90 degree. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Why we need to turn? Because technically step on 4-1 is either backward walk turning or forward walk turning. So we do check forward walk, replace and backward walk turning. Backward walk, replace, forward walk turning. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at a Rumba closed basic to music. Close hip twist, man steps, man starts with left foot, side, replace, close, back, replace and forward walk turning 1/8 to left. Lady starts with right foot, back, replace, turn, delayed forward walk swivel, forward walk turning and backward walk finishing in fan position. And now to music. Open hip twist, we will start from open position and we will finish in fan position. Man starts with left foot, check forward walk, replace, close, backward walk, replace, forward walk turning. Lady starts with right foot, backward walk, replace, forward walk and swivel, forward walk turning and backward walk. Let's do it to music. And now let's look at a Rumba basic choreography. Steps 1 to 5 of a Rumba basic, then steps 7 to 8 of natural chop and then continuous circular hip twist. So man starts with left foot, forward, replace to side, cross behind, to side and close. And now lady steps for basic with natural top finish. Lady starts with right foot, back, replace, forward and to side. Now again let's dance man's steps, but we will change slightly natural top ending. Check forward, replace to side, cross behind, to side and forward step. And we change hold to right hand hold. We continue with continuous circular hip twist, check forward, replace, back, and we continue backward walk for man, backward, back, we lead lady in swivels, back, and last bar, backward walk, replace and forward walk turning, we finish in fan position. Lady starts with right foot, backward walk, replace, forward walk, turn, backward walk, replace turn, delayed forward walk, swivel, forward walk, swivel, forward swivel, forward swivel, forward swivel, forward swivel, forward swivel, forward walk turning, and backward walk, finishing in fan position. And now let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I also ask you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.